Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic's oil. First, gather your essential tools: a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need 4 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This simple maintenance task can save you time and money. Once your Civic is safely elevated on jack stands, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to catch the used oil. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old engine oil to completely drain out, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This step ensures all contaminants are removed. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter with your oil filter wrench and clean the mounting area. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on. Hand tighten the filter until snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Now, carefully pour 4 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into your engine's oil fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off. Wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Look for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at an authorized recycling center. Changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles helps maintain engine health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.